Have you ever found yourself staring at a screen, wondering why your machine learning model is underperforming or worse, completely misbehaving? If so, you're not alone. Debugging machine learning models is a task that can perplex even the most seasoned professionals. But fear not, because Debugging Machine Learning Models with Python by Ali Madani offers a lifeline. Imagine improving your model's performance while simultaneously eliminating biases. This book dives deep into techniques that not only enhance the efficiency of machine learning models, but also address and reduce biases, a critical factor in building fair and reliable systems. For instance, consider a model used in hiring processes. The book details methods to adjust this model, ensuring it does not favor any particular demographic over others, thereby promoting fairness across the board. Moving on, the strategic design for production is a game changer. The book outlines robust approaches to design machine learning systems that minimize failures when deployed in real-world settings. Consider a financial forecasting model. The strategies discussed ensure that such a model not only predicts with high accuracy, but also integrates seamlessly into existing financial systems, reducing downtime and errors in live environments. For those who relish a challenge, a detection on advanced problem solving is particularly enticing. The book presents cutting-edge methods to tackle some of the most pressing real-world machine learning challenges. Take, for example, the issue of image recognition in low-light conditions. Through advanced techniques such as adaptive learning rates and enhanced convolutional networks, the book guides readers on how to refine their models to perform well even in less than ideal lighting. An added bonus is the free PDF ebook included with every purchase of the print or Kindle edition. This digital copy makes it convenient to reference the material anytime, anywhere, whether you're coding at home or applying a quick fix at work. In summary, Debugging Machine Learning Models with Python is not just a book. It's a comprehensive guide that arms you with the knowledge to improve, design, and solve complex problems with your machine learning models. From enhancing performance and fairness to strategically designing for production and solving advanced problems, this book ensures you are well equipped to handle the challenges of modern machine learning. Whether you're a student, a Python developer, or a seasoned data scientist, this resource promises to be invaluable in your journey to mastering machine learning. Remember, the journey to a flawless machine learning model begins with understanding how to effectively debug and optimize it.